Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the Vistefly Robot Vacuum Cleaner with wiping function, with 3000 Pascal power, and it's compatible with Alexa and of course Google. A virtual board is available, a carpet detection, a room map for pet hairs, a carpet, floors, tiles for nearly all kind of floors compatible. It's a 2-in-1 vacuum and mopping device. If we accidentally pour coffee, milk or jam on the floor or cause other stains, we can simply switch the sweeper from vacuum cleaner mode to vacuum and mopping mode for easy cleaning. It's voice and app control possible. The robot vacuum cleaner is compatible with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, so it can clean with voice command and more. At the same time, we can control the sweeper via the mobile app or the remote control, which is included to clean our home. And it's a self-charging robot vacuum cleaner. The M303 sweeper automatically plans a route back to the charging station to charge when the battery is empty for the cleaning is complete. The built-in 2600 mAh high-capacity lithium battery allows for up to 120 minutes per charge. This is long enough to clean the entire house. Automatic carpet detection. The vacuum cleaner moves effortlessly from hard surfaces to carpets, which automatically detects and then set to the maximum suction power for deeper cleaning. Once it has left the carpet surface, it returns to normal suction power. This is ideal for cleaning homes with pet hair. A full set of sensors allows the robot vacuum cleaner to avoid accidental falls and reduce collision during cleaning. Additional magnetic strips can also set virtual boundaries. For example, if the magnetic strip is placed in a toy area, the M303 detects this area and does not clean there. And the app language can be changed. It's possible in English and Chinese and German, and you can control it by app and by remote. And this Vistefly brand always focus on interior cleaning and helps us clean our home more easily. We have 3 control options. We can start cleaning with the voice command, so we can clean our living space without having to press any button, no matter where we are, so we can start cleaning our home by controlling the sweeper via the app. We can also use the included remote control to control this robot cleaning machine to clean floors and carpets. And of course, you can push the button on the Vistefly robot itself. And we're setting up barrier areas. Additional 2-meter magnet strips can also be set up with the virtual boundaries. If the magnetic strip is cool enough to get an information to this robot, this is the no-go area here, okay? And on default technology, the M303 robot vacuum cleaner has been improved software protection system that detects stairs and changes the cleaning route to avoid dropping the floor. And collision avoidance, equipped with anti-collision sensor, the brake when approaching an obstacle, and bumpers that provides double protection from furnitures. The automatic return to the charging station when the battery is empty is really cool. The suction power low is 120 minutes, in medium suction power 90 minutes, and in high suction power, 60 minutes. And in low, you have a quiet operation mode. The robot vacuum cleaner features an advanced brushless motor and a quiet design for excellent suction power. Provides a relaxing and quiet home environment. And we have maximum 3000 Pascal suction power. 3000, this is a lot. The sweeper with this rolled brush cleans deeper into the carpet, and with that two special side brushes that increase the cleaning area. We don't have to worry about hidden stairs. And the clean hard to reach areas. The body with a height of 3 inches and the diameter of 32 centimeters is designed to easily clean underneath sofas, beds, and areas under furniture where the dirt hides. And the detection of carpets are really cool, I think. This robot cleaner moves from floor to carpet, and then it will adjust in the maximum suction power, and it will deep clean our carpet easily. And we have 2 tanks, okay? Because it's possible to make a wet cleaning with the wet dust compartment and the standard vacuum. That means there is a bigger thing. So here, the cleaning mode, 600 milliliter dust container. We can clean hard floors and automatically increase the suction power when it reaches carpet and achieve the better cleaning results. This is ideal for pet owners. And we have the wiping mode. This is the second tank. 300 milliliter dust container plus 330 milliliter water tank. If we accidentally spill coffee, milk, or jam on the floor, or cause acid stains, it is very convenient to switch the sweeper from fast suction mode to suction and mop mode to clean directly. The wiping function is good for hard floors, hardwood, or tiles, and it's not suitable for carpets. And root cleaning. No missed areas, original roots are awesome. We can choose between 3 suction power modes. And round cleaning. This is an area clean out. This cleans an area of 100 centimeters diameters, suitable for floors that just has been spilled on the floor surface. And house edge cleaning mode. When the cleaning is turned on, it cleans along the edges of the house. Yeah, we can use the app to display a map where this device was cleaning in our entire room. We have on the front side the bumper. We have a start and a stop button on top of the device. Short tap means for on or pause. A long tap means on or off, approximately 3 seconds. Then we have a back to the recharge button. Short press for recharging or pause. And we have indicator LEDs. Blue means this is a normal standard way. Red, abnormal or low battery. And blue light blinking is charging mode, okay? On the bottom side, we have an anti-drop sensor. Not only one, we have 3 of them on the right, on the left side, and in the center. We have 2 charging contacts, which this device will need to get a little bit of power into it. Oh yeah. Then we have a left side brush and a right side brush. This you have to replace. I think once a year is enough. Then we have a left wheel and a right wheel. This is also because it is suspensioned. So we can go up to carpets and go down. We have a brush guard and a main brush. This main brush we can remove and replace, and of course we can clean it. And we have a dustbin on the back side. This is possible to change it to the 2-in-1 dust box and or to the water bag. Then we have infrared sensors all around, 360. We have a charging base with a signal transmission zone, a charging contact zone on the bottom side, and we have a remote control. Within all left upper side is automatic mode. Return to charging base on the right upper side. Then we can control it by manually. Left, right, up, down, and start pause. We have a sport mode on the left bottom side in the center, and the edge mode. A water tank output adjustment is left bottom with that 2 bubbles there. That you can choose between a lot of water, medium, or low water. And minimum, mid-range, maximum suction power adjustment on the right bottom side. That's what you can do. Is easy, really easy. Please remove any objects from the floor that may unknowingly robot the vacuum, such as pet poop, socks, cloth, tissue, toys, slippery, and power cords. We can use supply cable. ties, organize our wires and power cords. Before using the robot on the rug with tasseled edges, please fold the rug edges under. That we keep the robot away from wet areas such as kitchen or bathrooms. Of course, he can make a wet cleaning on the bottom side, yes, but it cannot go swimming, okay? Do not let it go wet. The robot can climb to the top of objects with a thickness less than 0.71 inches. These are 18 millimeters. So take the object away if we do not want that the robot to climb them. We keep the robot away from spaces between 2.56 inches up to 3.54 inches. The robot thickness is 3 inches. So, to prevent the robot from getting stuck, like sofa cabinet or the other furniture, if necessary, we could use supplied boundary strips to block off the problem areas. In most cases, the cliff sensor can prevent the robot from dropping down the stairs. And only with the most thing. If the sensor is dirty or used on a carpet, reflective, very dark floor, the effect will not be very good. It's recommended to use a magnetic strip to block the area where the robot may drop. Okay, that's it is full with sensors, of course, but there is a little bit fail function included. This is in every technical device, so maybe it's better to use the magnet stripes. First, we're going to attach the bottom area power base. That's really easy. We push it in position, job's done. We make sure that the charging base is powered on with an indicator light is on. We place the charging base where the robotic vacuum can easily access, and we make sure that the charging base is powered on in case of the machine unable to find the charging base when the battery power gets low. Then we can charge it. Push it in position and job's done, okay? And then we can make it. It makes take 4 or 5 hours to full charge, which offers up to 120 minutes of running time in auto mode with the soft suction power. The robotic vacuum cleaner will return to the charging base itself with a low battery level. At critical low status, the device would stop moving and requires manual effort getting back to recharge, and then you have to tell it. But it will ask you, because it has a voice. That's really cool. We have different kinds of cleaning modes there. We have a spot mode, we have the edge mode. Everything is possible to enter. We have an automatic mode, we have a sleeping mode, we can choose what we like by using the remote control. If we're going to use the app, we can more, because then we can make a shadow. We can program it to let it run, for example, each 3 o'clock a.m. in the week, for example. And then we can use it easily. This is the model number M303. The power input is a DC 19 volt, 0.6 ampere. The rated power is 28 watt. The battery type is a DC 14.4 volt lithium-ion battery. The battery's capacity is 2,600 milliampere hour. The charging time comes to up to 5 hours. Suction power 3 level available. The capacity of the dustbin is 600 milliliter, and the cleaning time is 120 minutes for auto mode with a soft suction power on hard floors after battery full charge. And the charging base comes with DC 19 volt, 0.6 ampere. This is easy. And if you like to connect this device, only push. First you have to download the app, of course. Then you make a little account on it, of course. And then you will start the Vistefly Robot Vacuum Cleaner. And then you will push the home button and the power button for approximately 3 up to 5 seconds. Then the the Wi-Fi LED will start flashing. Then you can go to your app and pair it to your Wi-Fi. And that it is, okay? Then you are in and can you use the app easily. And with the app you have so much different kind of options. There is so much you can perform with that awesome app. You can give this Robot Vacuum Cleaner a name. You can edit the name. You can edit the shadow time. You can edit the vacuum power. You can edit the drops of the water supply. You can edit what kind of solution it should be in quiet mode. It should be where it is. You can find it. You can ping it on. You can make a rule cleaning. You can make a round or an area cleaning and house edge cleaning, what you like, by using the app. And this you can use on every internet area on the planet. This is the really cool Vistefly Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.